Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix S Pen is not connecting on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart mobile. So just click and hold power button, restart mobile from here. If you want to restart mobile, so restart mobile from here. After restart, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system update. After click on system update, click on backup and reset. After click on backup and reset, click on reset phone and reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and you will see click on reset. So it's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix S Pen not working, not connecting on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.